The Urus is Lamborghini's sophomore SUV, following the LM002, nicknamed Rambo Lambo. But its roots are not entirely Italian, with components ranging from an 8-speed automatic transmission to a torsion-center differential and torque vectoring rear differential. The Urus stands as the most technically advanced mechanical bull in the field. Show your support by liking this video and subscribing for more exclusive car reviews. The Urus's power comes from a 657 twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine. The engine's sound is deep when idling and ferocious at full throttle. Thanks to permanent all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission, it can accelerate impressively, reaching 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds and completing a quarter mile in 11.3 seconds at 121 miles per hour. Lamborghini has also clocked it at a top speed of 190 miles per hour. The driving experience is agile, offering quick steering and stable cornering at high speeds. Adjustable air springs adapt the ride height for various drive modes, while carbon ceramic brakes ensure efficient stopping. In terms of fuel economy, the Urus's 14 miles per gallon city and 19 miles per gallon highway ratings might not concern the affluent target audience. The interior embraces Lamborghini's signature flair, with design elements inspired by jet fighters, abundant Fox suede and carbon fiber trim, and Audi-derived infotainment and gauges. Seating configurations are versatile, accommodating 2 to 3 passengers in the rear, and the vehicle offers useful storage spaces, including up to 22 cubic feet in the cargo area. From its performance features to its luxurious interior, the Urus is a compelling option in the high-end SUV market. Enjoying our car reviews? Like and subscribe to stay tuned for more.